I really don't know what to expect, but I honestly can't wait.
You see what we did?
Holy, no way.
But again, it's fixable.
You guys remember this truck? A lot of you in the comments said we should throw it away, we should get rid of it. It's not worth anything. You're not gonna be able to repair it. Well, guess what? It's coming along, and this is part 2. So let's recap. Driver leaves our terminal, starts driving about 3 or 4 hours after his reset, falls asleep on the highway, and then hits the guardrail. So driver came out just fine without a single scratch, but yes, the driver is okay. So we had a conversation with Alex. Alex threw a number, our head mechanic, said it's gonna cost us about $70,000 to put this thing together. I threw a number without knowing anything, about $50,000. So originally this truck was at the body shop. It was there for about 3 to 4 weeks. Now that the body shop was able to put it together, we were able to tow it to our facility over here. Alex and his team are gonna be doing the rest of it. And then it's gotta go back to the body shop once Alex is finished with it. They gotta put all the plastic and make it look beautiful. Now Alex thinks that I won't be able to tell the difference between this truck and any one of our other 2025. We'll put 2 trucks side by side, one of them with the accident, one of them without the accident, and we'll get a couple of people to guess if they can tell which one was in the accident versus one without the accident. So let's hear what Alex has to say. This is it.
You see? You
Wow.
see what we did?
Holy.
Almost.
One second,
almost.
the hood is new?
The hood was repaired.
Oh, you didn't, it's not even a new hood?
No, it was repaired.
Wow.
We can open. The hood was painted. No shocks.
What do you mean by no shocks?
No, it doesn't have the shocks for the hood.
Oh. Okay, what did he end up doing?
We fixed the front axle. We
Okay.
put it back in place. The Tyroden bar, the radiator, the condenser, the air-to-air, everything new. This bar was bent as well.
Okay.
Was-
But you said something about the engine. The engine was okay?
We didn't start it yet.
Hold on, you're telling me we can start it and it doesn't work?
We don't have a key yet. The key is in the Mark office. We fixed the one box.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah.
This one?
Yes. It was bent here. So it was pulled out. And yeah, it's a new tire. It's a new
oh,
tire.
it's new tires?
Yeah, it's new tires.
Okay.
It's just the sticker. We remove all the fairings, the shock mounts new, so we can put the wheels back, air hose.
So wait, so it's been a month. One
Yeah,
month approximately. Well, how much work is left on this thing?
So now, if you can see it from here, so it doesn't have the DPF tank was removed with the brackets. It's completely bent. We have a new one coming in. The air tanks are also not exist. Destroyed. We're gonna put new ones. So the front is almost done. Good. Now we're gonna work on this section. In the moment that we finish this section, then we can start it. I don't want to start the truck because we don't have DEF fluid, DEF pump, air, everything is disconnected. Then we're gonna go to the back. We have one of the shock mount is out. So
Okay.
it's sitting on a piece of block. And then it's gonna go back driving to the body shop to put all the fairings, all the skirts.
Okay.
And then it's back on the road, that's it. This is the final step. But it's not so bad.
Really?
As we thought. No,
Hold on
look.
one second. When we originally did this video, your estimate was 70,000.
70,000,
My
yeah.
estimate was 50.
Yeah.
Where are we sitting at right now? Plus minus?
If I need to guess again,
Yeah.
25, 30.
No way.
No, because I know what it's need, yeah?
25, 30?
Yeah.
That's it? 25,
It's a
$30,000?
good number, no?
It's a very good number. You can have a lineup at your door next tomorrow. 25, I don't believe you. 25, 30
Yeah.
for all of this?
The tank was straight also, one of the tanks, or this one or the other ones. Again, we have all the after treatment parts
Yeah.
that I didn't dive into it yet.
Okay.
Because we have the other truck, so we're gonna pull the tank, and I hope it's the same pump we're gonna put here. One of the tanks we have, and one tank I'm missing. So we recycling a lot of parts. Like this box, we repair it.
Okay.
Everybody else will replace it, but we cut it off,
Yeah.
we straight it, and we put it back together. Because the filter, it didn't damage the filter. It's only the metal structures that was bent. So we managed to straight it, cut it, and it's good.
So what about all this stuff? This is all new?
No, the only thing that it was washed.
Okay, that's why it looks.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's look different because it was washed. But the oil pan is new, the oil gallery is new, the shock mounts are new, the axle was at the back. We push it back to the original place.
You're telling me you went from 70,000 to 30,000?
Yeah, and here we have a...
What is that?
This is the intake for the, I don't know, we will see. Maybe we will glue it, maybe we'll see what we're gonna do. No, because of this small part, you need to replace everything.
Oh.
But basically, it just, the water is coming out from here. but maybe we can glue it.
Like mount something on it.
Yeah.
Melt it on it.
Yeah. And grill, bumper, so and so and so.
So now we need all this is going to be new, yeah? The fairings. and all
Fairings,
that.
yeah.
This is the original color or this is painted?
No, it's painted because it was all over was scratched.
Oh,
and
so
then
all this, so
this
that
is
is
new.
that the original?
The top one is the original.
Oh, you
Yeah.
can tell the difference.
No, it will be the same. It's just brand new color, yeah.
Oh, after it gets dirty and stuff.
Yeah. After you wash it one time, two times, it's gonna. So you see, you fix something there as well.
Yeah. This is going back on the road.
Yeah.
Give an estimate. How many? A week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
Oh no, we need. We are a little bit busy in the shop, so we're gonna monitor. We're gonna work a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there. Because we have clients, we have the fleet. We need to coordinate everything.
Got it. Tell me, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
There was a lot of comments on you should throw away the truck. It's garbage.
No, why?
Lots
Why?
of comments
No,
came
we-
in on
we
you should throw away the truck.
we checked the
it's
chassis.
unrepairable. It's unrepairable. Too much
So,
damage. It's not worth it.
We checked the chassis straight. The only main bar was bent. We
Okay.
straightened it up. It's zero. We measure it. It's zero. The engine didn't get impact from the accident. So you have a rad, you have air to air, you have AC stuff. Because of this stuff, you want to throw it out?
I don't know. That's what they said in the comments.
No, you spend 250,000 on a brand new truck.
Correct.
So we have a small boo boo. We will fix it.
Small boo. This is considered small boo boo.
No, it's a big boo boo, but again,
What
it's
doable?
fixable.
All right. When can the audience expect the next one? The finished
Next-
completion. 1 month is enough time for you to put this thing back on the road?
Let's hope. Look, if I have the manpower, we can put one man, two people on the truck and boom, 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 do it in 1 week. But we are not in this scenario. So let's see, 1 month maybe. Yeah, we will
1 month.
bang it, yeah.
All right.
Because basically, for us, is to put the air tanks, the def pump, and the tank, and then the back. There are not too much work here. I just need consistently work. Like I put one guy and he finished doing it.
So why does it need to go back to the body shop? After you're finished, then it needs to be.
Yeah, it's gonna go back to the body shop to finish all the fairings. He has all the brackets,
Okay.
all the fairings he has. He need to match all the colors and everything. Need to put a mirror here. No, need to finish it. Yeah,
Altogether, everything. All you're saying under 30,000?
maybe 30. Yeah, maybe 30. Again, I don't know. You see, it's broken. The pump is broken. It's $1,000 pump. Yeah.
Okay.
$800, $900 pump. What else we have? Bumper, $1,000. So fairings, I don't know which one we can save, which one we can recycle. Big plus, we need to start it. After we start it, then I can tell you, Ronen, no problem, it's running.
What do you do if you start it and it doesn't start?
Then we have an issue. No, it has oil. It has oil. I just don't want to start. I need to fill it up with coolant. I don't want to start. I want to finish all the air stuff, and then I will start it up. Yeah. So he hit the front axle. This way it was bent, and he broke the oil pan. He broke the oil pan. He broke the front axle. The air tanks are missing. He take them out. DPF tank out. He bent the fuel tank. We straightened it up. Then he go on the side. No, it's a damage, but it's not so big damage. Not like the other one.
At what point would you have taken this truck and said, you know what, no, it's garbage, or you have to write it off?
If the engine was hit, the block or something, because it's $50,000-$60,000 an engine, I will not spend that kind of money. Or the chassis was bent or something like that. When we saw it at the beginning, this all was bent. But now this is straight. We have a problem. Why I told you? Remember I told you maybe the chassis was bent, but this is just the toe mounts was broken and shifted. But we put new ones. Now it's no issue. This is how we brought it here. We tow it, yeah. The windshield is in. Yeah.
This is a new windshield?
It's new windshield, yeah, of course.
And the windows, everything is working? Like all the...
No power.
No power.
No power. No, this window is new as well.
Okay.
It was broken. Rubber is new. I need to put the mirror assembly.
I can't wait to do the last video on like it washed and brand new.
Oh yeah.
Would my eye be able to tell?
No.
It won't be able to tell?
After we complete it and you wash it with the stickers, and if we wash the rims and everything, it will be brand new.
You won't be able to tell that this thing was busted up.
No. Like if
I'll put it next to my other 2025, they're gonna look the same.
Yeah, but if you open the hood and dive into it, then you will see we open here, we open there, yeah.
But like that to the eye, you won't be able to.
No.
Wow.
No. And it's gonna run, yeah? It's gonna do the job.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, looking forward to the next round.
Yeah.
All right.